is what you'll need for a variation on that delicious cake lemon drizzle. You'll need some butter, some eggs, vanilla extract, some lemons of course, bit of baking powder, some lemon curd, double cream, caster sugar and self-raising flour. First thing we're going to do, give your lemons a wash and then get the zest off them. When you've extracted the zest, it's then time to get the juice out. With your lemons sorted, it's time to melt some butter into a bowl. Go in there with the sugar and give them a good mix. Into your butter and sugar, you're going with the juice of your 3 lemons and then 3 eggs. And then give them a good mix into your wet ingredients with your self-raising flour and your baking powder and get them mixed. With your batter mix, we're going to prepare a cake tin. So we're going to want some grease-proof paper. We're just going to give it a rub round with some butter. Then it's into there with the template you've just cut. And then it's into there with your cake batter. This is then going in the oven at 160 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes until the cocktail stick comes out quite clean, i.e. not wet. Then you know it's ready. With your cake baking away, it's time to get your cream whipped up into your cream with your extract, and then we're going to get them nicely blended until they form nice little peaks. When it's had its time in the oven and the cocktail stick comes out dry, time to just let it cool down a bit. When it's cooled down a bit, turning it out onto a cake stand or a plate. Don't forget to remove your grease-proof paper, you don't want to be eating that. When it's cooled down, so your butter's sort of firmed up, then you're going to get your cocktail stick in there, go all over the cake, making holes ready for the lemon juice. When you think it's perforated enough, time to go on with some more lemon juice. When your cake's cooled down a bit, so it's a bit more solid, time to cut it in half. With it cut in half, it's time to do your filling. So lemon curd, and then half of your cream. With the filling done, pop the top back on, and then it's on with the rest of the cream for the topping. With the cream on, all that's left is the zest from earlier, and then pour yourself a cup of tea and get stuck in to its lemonous gorgeosity.